Okay, I'm starting. Hello, guys. Welcome you all to this session on Hour of Code with Scratch. It's hosted by Dave Cluster in collaboration with Team Legogoa. Myself, Vishwak. I'm community representative at Dave Cluster. Dave Cluster is a group of tech enthusiasts who build a strong tech community and ensure that knowledge reaches to the Goan public easily. So, coming to today's topic, Hour of Code. What is this Hour of Code? This hour of code was started as a 1 hour introduction to computer science. It was designed in such a way that anybody can learn the basics and broaden their participation in the field of computer science. This hour of code is a 1 hour coding activity and is held globally every year. We know that technology is transforming every industry on this planet. I mean, in other words, computers are just everywhere. Wherever you go, you see computers. So, regardless of what you study when you grow up, that is, whether you study medicine, business, politics, or arts, knowing to build technology will give you the confidence and a competitive edge. So, every student should have the opportunity to learn computer science. It helps you to nurture your problem solving skills, logic, and creativity. This Hour of Code initiative was actually started by code.org. We'll be showing that and is supported by big companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and so on. Okay, and I'll show you a small video now, which is made by code.org. Is the YouTube visible? Can
Yes, sir.
anyone unmute and okay? So just listen
Yes,
to
sir.
this. Let's just listen to this now.
So, hi, I'm Leia.
Yeah, you are about to tell something?
And I'm Tanya. And we're lucky enough to be studying computer science. Hi, I'm Tanya. We think it's terrible that 90% of schools don't teach it.
They definitely didn't offer it at my high school.
So we're trying to make this video to show that anybody can learn. We want to get 10 million students to do the hour of code.
Hour of code.
Hour of code.
The hour of code.
Hour of code.
Hour of code. Hour of code.
The hour of code. How do you get him to get to the sunflower? He needs to do some actions.
I got it. Hey.
And then we'll run it and see what happens.
Amazing.
There we go.
You just wrote your first program.
I wrote it?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the code that you just wrote.
Very awesome.
I thought like code was like FBI hacker symbols and stuff.
A little bit of problem solving, a little bit of logic. It's like instruction.
Programming is a lot easier today. Don't just play on your phone. Program.
All right.
Awesome.
How does someone go about getting a job?
Maybe take an online class, find a class at a community college. Get one of the best paying jobs in the world.
I think medicine's moving into the whole computer age. Technology touches every part of our lives. If you can create technology, you can change the world.
So we're excited that you are participating in today's Hour of Code.
We just did 2 lines of code.
4 lines.
7 lines. 5.
Escribir 25 líneas de código. Guys, hello, 2 lines of code. 5 lines.
60 lines of code.
99 lines.
60 lines.
18 lines of code.
75 lines of code.
Doesn't matter how old you are.
Todos lo puedes. Hour of code.
Hour of code.
Yeah, programming code. The hour of code. The hour of code. The hour of code.
Whether you're a young man or a young woman, when you live in a city or a rural area,
Everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer.
And I just completed the
Hour of code.
It's actually really easy to learn.
Girls should learn this too.
Understand that language. That's going to be the future. Anyone can learn computer science. And you can learn too.
Jack Dorsey, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, all of y'all. I'm learning.
give it a shot.
Here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Okay, that's the end of video. So I hope you all liked it. So that's what y'all are gonna do today. Even y'all are gonna code. So now I would like to hand it towards the teachers of today. That is Mr. Sai Pranav Gandhi and Mr. Venkatesh Dempo. Over to you guys. Carry on.
We'll start with the presentation. Let me just share my screen.
Hello everybody, my name is Pranav Gandhi. I am 11 years old and I study in Standard 5 Sharda Mandir School. I am interested in coding and robotics.
Hello everyone, I am Venkatesh Dempo, 10 years old, and I am interested in knowing more about robotics. Today we are going to teach you about Scratch.
Today we will be learning the basics of coding in Scratch.
And we will be also making some small fun codes in Scratch.
What is Scratch? Scratch is a very easy to code with software made by MIT for young people to enjoy coding.
It's 7:15. With Scratch, you can make many different types of things from games to animations.
Now, you must be thinking that it's very hard to code in Scratch. But don't worry. Scratch is easy to code with software.
Now, before we start coding, does anybody have questions? Please raise your hand. Yes, Malhar has raised his hand, I think, right?
How do you do coding?
So now in this segment, we will learn how to code. But basically with Scratch, you can use drag and drop blocks to code. Has that answered your question?
Yes.
Anyone else has questions?
No.
Okay, so everybody, the link that has been shared in chat, everybody click it. I am about to resend it. Everybody go to the link that is being shared in chat. That's been shared on chat. Everybody click on that link. Okay, I'm just resending it for people who haven't received the link. Yeah. The link that I shared last, everybody click on it.
Click on both the links which Sai Pranav has shared.
Yeah, the very last link. That is the most easiest to use. And then I'll share my screen since the link has been clicked. So when you click on the link, does it take everybody to this page? Hello?
Hello
Will
guys, you all can.
everyone click on the link? Can you hear us?
And does it take everybody to
Yes,
this?
you are. You are
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, does it take you all to this screen?
Yes.
Okay.
I already downloaded.
Okay, but we won't be using the download. We'll be using this on the website.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to put half of the class in the breakout room. You will receive an invitation and you have to click on yes. Okay?
The children will be divided into two rooms now.
Yes.
We have clicked it, but it is asking for the password.
I've clicked it, but the screen is different.
Click on the most latest link.
Yes, I click on that.
Can you share your screen if possible?
Venkatesh, by the way, go to the room right now. Everybody is joining the room.
Yeah, so after you join the room, we'll explain you if you are facing any issue.
Everybody join your room. Harsh, please join your room. Rudra, please join your room. Sanvi, please join your room.
How to join the room?
It will give you a notification. Click yes. Harsh, Rudra, and okay, I'll try resending it to you.
Can you please repeat?
You have to join the room. Rudra, Sanvi, and Harsh. There's an option to do it. You just have to click on it.
Where is the option?
Oh, you should receive a notification. That is how Maulik, Malhar, Harsh, and Galaxy A30 have joined.
I didn't get the notification. Even me too.
Okay, fine. Then I'll do something.
I did not got the notification. Yes, I.
Get the notification. Just wait now. Then
Me
I'll.
too.
Hmm.
Pranav, you can go to breakout rooms and assign them to the room automatically.
Yes, I did that. Okay, so Rudra and Srushti, please try to join. Did any of you receive the link? Okay, Rudra has joined. Now, Srushti, please join it. Hello, Srushti.
We have miss, there is one last link that have to be in click, no?
Who is this?
Sanvi.
It's okay now. You don't have to join, but Srushti has to join. Srushti, please join your room. Hello, Srushti.
Do I have to join the room?
No, only Srushti has to join the room now. Hello, Srushti. Please respond. Okay. Okay, then I'll try putting somebody else if Srushti is not responding. Okay, Brian Fernandez, can you please join the room? Okay, Brian Fernandez has joined. Now we can start the class. Okay, so the last link that I have sent in chat, everybody please click on it. I'll resend it just in case. Yeah, I have resent it. The link I have sent in chat, everybody click on it and that will take everybody to this page. Can everybody see this page?
No, it is not coming like that when I am clicking.
Click on the most latest link that I have sent.
Yeah, that will I click, but it is not coming like that.
Okay, you try sharing your screen. Try sharing your screen.
Can you see?
This is the correct one.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I will start sharing.
Everybody has this screen. Click on create.
Yes.
So when you click on create, let it load for some time. And then you will see this page. Now, okay, everybody do this. Okay, does everybody have this screen now?
Yes.
Okay then. Have you read through the manual explaining about how Scratch works?
We should join Scratch.
Now click on create. See,
Okay, okay, okay.
click on that link, right? It will take you to a page, and about over here there will be a button called create. Click on that.
I click.
Okay, so did everybody read the manual explaining how Scratch works?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just go through an overview of that. So over here, we have characters called sprite. And the sprites, they follow all the commands you give them. Like if you tell the sprite to move forward, it will move forward. If you tell it to move backward, it will move backward. But then how you tell it is with all these blocks over here. All the blocks have a different meaning and I'll explain them. There are 7 different types of blocks. Is everybody following?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First type of blocks are the motion blocks. In the motion blocks, you can give it commands like move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees to the right, turn 15 degrees to the left, and you can give it commands like that. In looks, you can make it say things like say hello for 2 seconds, and you can even make it change its appearance.
Pranav, just a minute. Om has just joined. Ask him if he has been able to access this page.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Then you can make it change its appearance by making it change its costume. So the costumes are your sprites' appearances. Okay? Everybody's understanding?
Yeah.
In looks, you can also make it change size and color. And then there's sound, which allows you to play sounds like meow and other sounds. Then after that, there is events. Inside of events, these are all the starting points. Like for example, if I take this move 10 steps, the sprite doesn't know when to start moving 10 steps. So all these blocks in events make it start moving. So there's this one called when flag clicked, meaning this green flag over here. So if you click it, then all the blocks under this when flag clicked will start playing. Then there is when space key pressed, when this sprite clicked, and like that. There's also control, which allows you to wait, use the repeat block, and if conditions. Is everybody understanding?
Yeah.
Now this is all we need for today's code. So now we can choose our own sprites by clicking on this icon, and everybody choose a sprite which has walking in the name. Okay, I'm giving 5 minutes for everybody to choose a sprite which has walking in it. I'm going to choose this sprite for now, and I delete the old one. Okay, now everybody do this. You understand?
It's 7:30.
I did.
Okay, now everybody quickly select your sprites, and remember it should have walking in the name. Has everybody finished? Has everybody finished?
Yes. Yeah.
I'm continuing. So first, we shall make the character walk. Now for walking, which block do you want to use? When flag clicked or when space key pressed? For this code, we'll just use when space key pressed. Then when space key is pressed, we'll move it 10 steps. And then shall we run this code now? Hello, can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm running this code. See, the character just moves like this 10 steps in the front. Can you see this?
How to run the code?
Now this this code works when the space key is pressed. So if you click on the space key, the move 10 steps block runs. Is everybody understanding?
Yes.
Okay. So now the problem with this code is that the feet of the person aren't moving, right? So for that, we can use next costume for it to move the feet one by one step. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's try this code. See, now the person actually walks. Now everybody try using this code in your own area. You can also change the key to a different key if you like. And you can also use the when flag clicked instead. Okay? Now I'm giving everybody 5 minutes to try this code out. Let me know when you finish. Does everybody understand? I finished. Okay, just wait for some other people to finish. Does everybody understand what we have to do?
I did.
Okay, Fine, good. Everybody understands what we have to do?
Yes.
Okay, then let's move on to the next step. So now we can have one code here, and then we can also have a second code. Now what do you want to do for the second code? Make it bigger and smaller? We'll make it bigger and smaller. Whenever you click on the up arrow key, then it will change size by 10, meaning it will get bigger. Is everybody understanding? Hello? Can you hear me?
Guys, unmute and talk.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Sai Pranav, I understand that.
So now let's attempt. Now as you can see, when we click on the up arrow, the character grows bigger in size. Now we wanted to reduce in size. So then what will we do? When we'll select down arrow. Now what block will we use over here? Does anybody have an idea what block we will use now? Hello, can everybody hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, now what block do we have to use here? Does anybody have an idea? Please unmute and answer.
Change size by a negative number.
Okay, that is the correct answer. We have to change the size by -10. So now, if we try this code out, the character becomes smaller when we click on the down arrow key. Does everybody understand the code so far?
Yes.
Okay, next, we'll make the character turn by 15 degrees whenever we click on the right arrow key. When we click on the right arrow key, it will turn right in 15 degrees.
Sai Pranav, how do I make it -10? Change size from -10.
You click on the block and then you type -10.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if you want to make the first character turn to the left side, we take left arrow and turn left 15 degrees. Does everybody understand this code? So let's test it.
Yes.
So when we do this, it turns some degrees. And when we click on the space bar, it walks. When we click on the up arrow, it grows in size. When we click on the down arrow, it reduces in size. Now, you'll be doing one more, but this time it will be when this sprite clicked. Okay? So when this sprite is clicked, we'll make it play a sound. What sound should we make it play?
A smile or laugh.
Okay, then we'll make it laugh. Here, we'll choose laugh 1. Then we'll test it. And then we'll go to the sound block and click on play sound laugh 1 until done. Now let's try this. Let's click on the sprite. So does everybody understand so far? Hello everybody, please unmute.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now make this code in your own area. I'll continue sharing my screen so that you can see. Let me know when everybody finishes, okay?
I finished.
Okay, did you test it?
Sai, I'm done.
Okay, did you test it?
Yeah.
Works?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on to the next code. I also have it saved. So now I'll open it. Here. Can everybody see this code?
Yes.
Now I'll be showing from scratch how to make this code. So I'll just click on new. So this code is a bit more complicated than last time. Now, this time again we need a walking sprite. So select one. Last time I used Avery walking, but this time I'm going to use bear walking. So if you can use the same one if you want, but I'm going to use a different one. Then this time we're going to be adding some backdrops to it. Now choose 4 backdrops of your own or whatever you want. So to choose a backdrop, you click on backdrops, then you go to this backdrops tab over here and click on this icon. Then you select 5 backdrops in total. I will be selecting jungle, forest, and snowy forest. Okay? And I'll be deleting the old one. You can use lesser backdrops if you want to, and you can use even more backdrops if you want to. So now everybody at least pick out 3 backdrops, whichever you want. Does everybody understand so far?
Yes.
Okay. So now make this. Choose multiple 3 backdrops at least. Here. Let me know when you finish.
I finished.
Okay. So did anybody else finish?
Yes, I'm done.
I finished.
Okay. Let's start with the code. But this time, instead of using the when space key pressed, we'll be using when green flag clicked. This green flag. So then the first thing we want to do is make this bear walk. So the idea of this animation is that the bear will walk, and when he reaches the edge of the screen, it will switch to the next backdrop, so that way he reaches to the next forest and he continues walking. So that is how this code works. Then we'll be taking a forever loop. So how a forever loop works is that whatever code is inside this loop is run forever, meaning many times. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So for walking, we'll be taking move 10 steps or 12 steps for the bear, and then we'll be making it change the costume just like last time. Now, when we click on the flag, let's see what happens. So as you can see, the bear is walking too fast, right?
Yes.
Right? Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah,
Walking
it works too fast.
So now, how we change that is we put this code in a repeat 10 times. Now, this is because instead of moving 12 steps directly, what we'll do is we'll repeat it 3 times and we'll move 4 steps and put a short gap over here. Do you understand? Okay?
It's 7:45.
So now what this code does is instead of directly moving 12 steps, we'll move 4 steps, wait for 0.2 seconds, then move another 4 steps. Then because we repeated 3 times, in a total it moves 12 steps, but it moves slowly. So let's test this code. As you can see, it's walking, but now it's too slow. So we'll reduce the wait block even further. Now the bear moves properly, right? Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now make this code in your area. Let me know when you finish.
I finished.
Okay, did you test it?
Yeah.
Good. Has anybody else finished? Hello? Please unmute.
Yes.
Okay. Now, this will be a bit complicated, but we'll make the code on how to find the edge of the backdrop.
What we should do?
You have to make this code in your own area.
Can you give just 2 minutes?
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Did you finish? Hello, please unmute. Okay, I'm moving on. Moving on. So
Yes,
now,
I'm finished.
for the next part, we have to put a line at the end of the backdrop. It can be any color. I'm choosing red. So then we go to the line option and then we draw a line over here. Wait, let me just select red here. Now we have red and I'm going to set the thickness of the line as 10. And I will draw a line over here. Okay, it's black in color, that's okay. But I will draw a line over here. So this is basically the finish line. So when the bear touches the finish line, then we will know that he has reached the end of the backdrop. So then you do it on all the backdrops, but in black color or but in the same color. Whatever line you use, put all the lines in the same color. You can use whichever color you want. But if you are using this color backdrop, then it's a bit different. because you have to put the black line over here. Since the backdrop is bigger than what comes in this box. Do you understand?
Pranav, just repeat the whole thing again
Yeah. Okay.
from start.
So now we have to put a line at the end of each backdrop so that the bear finds out what is the end of the backdrop. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to draw one line on each of these edges of the same color. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now for this last one, because if you have chosen a different backdrop, you will not have this problem. But if you have chosen this backdrop, then remember the edge of the backdrop is actually this box. Can you see the box?
Yes.
So the line should come at the box, not at the edge over here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, that is because the third backdrop is bigger in size.
Yes.
So actual that white line is the end of the backdrop. Correct?
Yes. So now everybody put the black lines. Okay?
No, to do it.
Okay. What happened?
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, I'll tell you again. So then you come over here, then you click on this line option. Make sure this
Sorry to interrupt, Pranav. Pranav, just tell him that you have to go for the backdrop section. First go to your code and then come again to backdrops so that even he knows how to go about.
So you have to click on this stage. Okay, you have to click on this stage over here. Then click on backdrops. Then
I just joined.
oh, okay. Okay, we'll continue with this. So then you click on this line option. Make sure this outline is black, or you can use any other color, that is also fine. And make sure this number over here is 10. Okay, understand it? Okay, then you draw a line over here like this and do it for each of the backdrops. Now start the work. I'll just leave this over here for as a reference. Now everybody start the work and let me know when you finish.
I just joined.
Okay.
I finished.
Okay, who just finished? Okay, good job. Now just wait for others to finish.
I just joined.
Okay, try to understand.
Sai Pranav, can you show the code again? The code?
Okay, yeah. This is the code.
Okay, let me just do it once. Okay.
Okay. Now for whoever just joined, you've joined a bit late. You can try to understand the class right now, but we've already done lots of coding. Okay, has everybody finished putting the lines at the edge of the backdrop?
Yes, Sai Pranav.
Let's continue and move on to the next part. So now you have to put a if loop. So how an if loop works is that if this is true, then do the code over here. So we will take touching color. And then when we click on the color, we'll click on this icon at the bottom. And then it will give us this selection area and we will select our line. Understand it? Okay? Fine. Then whenever the bear touches this line, it will run the code that is inside this if loop. Do you understand? Please unmute. Hello?
Okay, just repeat once again.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so if this if condition, how it works is that if a certain condition like touching color black is true, then it will run the blocks in this if loop. Do you understand? So if I put any blocks here like move 10 steps, then when it is touching the black color, it will move 10 steps. Do you understand? Hello?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes.
Okay. So now what we will do in the if loop is first we will make it change the backdrop to next backdrop so that the backdrop switches from jungle to the next backdrop. Then now the bear is at the end of the screen. We want him to come back to the starting of the screen. So how we do that is because every position.
You run this and show them what happens. First you run this and show.
Yeah. So I'll just run this code. So the bear is walking. He walks. Then when he touches the line, it keeps on shifting because he's still touching the black line. And he tries to get out of the screen. So we have to make it so that every time he touches the black line, he has to come back to the starting position over here. Do you understand? Okay then. So how we do that is that this entire area has a name. Every point of it has a name. So right now where the bear is standing, its name is -130 and -8. You can read the values over here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Then what we do is we say go to -30, same as this, and -8. Do you understand? Okay. Now let's try the code. Now can you see that this code works?
Yes.
Right? So now everybody make this code in your own area and let me know when you finish. Let me know when you finish.
I finished.
Did you test it?
Yes.
Okay. Now because you finished early and we have to wait for the others to finish, you can add some extra features like when space key pressed, it changes size or whatever you want. So just do that. You can make whatever changes you want to this code. It's up to you. Has anybody else finished? Hello, please respond. Hello, can everybody hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Everybody, please unmute and respond.
Guys, if you are stuck somewhere, do let us know. Pranav will repeat it.
Yeah, just ask a question.
You
Please
can ask them to
respond.
share their screens, Pranav, to see what they've done.
Okay.
Pranav, I got it.
Okay. Share your screen.
Wait, let me just show you.
Did anybody else finish? Hello, please respond. Okay. Did anybody else finish?
Yeah, this is my screen.
Okay.
See.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, now you can add some special features to it. Like if you click on the space button, it might change size or might move, turn angle or something. You can use your own creativity and make changes to it. Ramnath, did you finish?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. Sanvi, did you finish?
Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can. Good. Now you can add your own changes to this as well. Like if you click the space, you can turn, or you can sing a song, or you can change size. You can add your own changes to it.
Okay. Sai Pranav, can you share your screen for 1 second?
Okay. Yeah, can you see it?
Yeah, thanks.
So if you're finished, just raise your hand so I can see who hasn't finished yet.
Guys, everyone is done.
Who isn't done? Has anybody added their own creative twist to it yet?
He can put the
Pranav, you can play that cartoon that you made, no?
Okay, now just as like I'll show you a code that I've made just for fun. It's a bit complicated, but you can try to make it as a at your house later on. Yeah, it's a short sort of story. So did everybody see that?
Yes, it was very nice.
Thank you. But these are the kind of codes you'll be able to make with some practice. Yeah, I'll actually share this code in chat so that you can try making this code later on. Yeah. So I've sent the code on chat. So you can, whenever you're free, just look at it and try to make it with some changes. So did anybody try making any changes in their own walking bear code? Do you want me to explain the complicated animation code?
What?
Do you want me to explain the complicated animation code?
No. It is very easy.
So I think everybody has joined the main room now, Pranav.
Yeah, everybody has joined the main room now.
Okay, has your team finished?
Yes, we are finished.
Pranav, you can tell everybody how they can explore other projects in the Scratch so that they can and click inside so they can look at the code. Just explain to them that explore function.
Okay, I'll just share my screen and show that as well. Just wait.
So everyone now you can just see this.
Just wait. I'm sharing my screen. Here. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you can click on explore and create. And then these are all games made by everybody else. You can select one of them, play them. You can even view the code inside of them. Even I have one game here actually. It's called Pocket Problem.
You can take any video game.
Yeah, these are all
You can
games.
create a game and then you can put it on this website.
You can
How to put it on the website?
It's a bit complicated, but you have to create your own account and then you have to go to profile and add your own project. It's a bit complicated, so we'll not be looking at that now.
You should go to So in the last breakout session, I told you all to you can make your own simple projects and show me. So you can email them to me, okay? So I'll just provide you with my email ID so you can email me.
We'll just send our email ID. So if you create any projects in the future, just mail them to us.
Yeah, you can mail us. I've sent mine.
And I've sent mine.
So please save the email IDs. So Rudra, Mallar, and other people who are in my breakout session, they can mail me the projects. Okay.
Okay.
Mail me the projects if you all make your own ones.
Yeah. So you can mail us. You can make a video and mail us, or you can mail us the file and everything. Yeah. So yeah. What? Who had a question?
Okay, I'm asking something to Rudra.
Yeah. Okay.
So I see something like something is coming, like some chair thing and disappearing behind him.
What?
Rudra, something's coming behind, like your hand is sometimes going and coming back.
They.
It just disappears and comes into some weird thing and just comes back.
If you want to,
Type that in chat because we can't hear what you're saying. Your voice is cracking.
It's okay.
Pranav, we need to end the session, I guess. You can ask for feedback and then let Vishwak sir take over.
So everyone, if you want to know about more Scratch tutorials, you can go to my YouTube channel where I upload them. Okay.
If you want to find out more about engineering concepts and Lego, you can go to my channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Lego so much. I make many Lego stuff.
Yeah, and if you want like tutorials on how to make more Scratch games, make apps, and build like Lego robots, then you can even come to my channel.
That I made.
My channel is on YouTube, Legogoa. It's called. It's all about Lego. I sometimes also do gaming videos.
Okay, so I'm getting my Lego thing and showing it to you.
It's okay. You can watch my YouTube channel afterwards, but okay, you can bring it now.
Okay.
If you want, you can even mail us the picture.
Yeah. Now Venkatesh's YouTube channel is called Dempo Robotics Academy Goa. In that he teaches about Scratch and
other tutorials like how to make apps, build Lego robots, and all those tutorials. While engineering concepts and all are covered in Legogoa channel by Cyber.
Yeah.
Provide them with the link of the channel.
So here's it.
It's good.
Oh, nice. Wow.
I took a Lego man and I put things on him to make a suit.
Good.
Cool.
What Lego thing you made?
I
made.
You just visit my YouTube channel to check out. I have a big cupboard full of Lego.
So, do you even like buy electronic Lego things? You buy them or you invent them?
I buy them.
You just you buy them from the other Lego, or you just make them same for the instruction, or you take it and make it into random thing that is cool.
I can't see, but you can my YouTube channel to find out more.
Yeah, also mine. Yeah.
I can't hear you properly, but you can visit my YouTube channel to find out more.
I've sent the link in chat section of mine. So you can visit our both YouTube channel, and I'm now currently starting to do some live streams where I'll teach to make apps in Christmas. So you can even join those live streams.
Okay.
Make like apps, yeah. So okay, does anyone have doubts regarding anything?
No.
Did you like the session today?
Yeah.
How did you like the session? Can anyone give feedback? Anyone?
This session was nice because I like code and it makes random noises. It does not make human noises. Like I heard one like a rocket.
Yeah, I told you that surprise function, right?
Yeah. But I went to sounds instead of people.
Can I speak?
Yes, okay, you can.
I was. Yes, this session was nice. Thanks to both of you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I like your session. It's nice. Bye.
Okay.
After
Sir, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, Pranav and Venkatesh, it's a really good work. Huh? Y'all are explaining very nicely. Keep this work, okay? Y'all have many things to do ahead. My colleagues also won't explain this better, I would say, actually. Like that, y'all are explaining. Keep up the good work, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And yeah, and can everyone just turn their videos on? We can take a screenshot. We can upload it on social media that we had done hour of code. So just turn on your videos, guys.
Some people haven't joined audio, so they can't hear.
Okay, like, is there some grid layout over here where you can watch everyone's video?
Yes, there is one. You just click on view.
Just remove your spotlights. I remove our spotlights.
I removed everybody's.
Or do one thing. Someone of you remove the screenshot and then send me. I'll upload it to the social media.
I have this. I can.
I'll just take it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm on my video, but it's not coming. Yeah, it came.
Yeah, your video is on.
Can everyone else turn on, please? Om Sudarshan Harshan Rudra.
Om Sudarshan, can you please on your videos?
Guys, I will get certificate also, okay? By this weekend, I'll mail you all, everyone.
And you can even mail us your projects you made. Okay? I've provided the email ID, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess everyone has on. Okay, no. Harsh Marathi.
Susti Harsh Darshan. Yeah. Rudra, who's the other Rudra whose video is?
I guess she joined by 2 devices.
Probably.
Yes, sir.
Me.
The next one is on the other laptop.
Okay, I took the screenshots.
Yeah, some people haven't turned on.
Okay, everyone just say cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese.
Done, right?
Yes, I'll just send the screenshot in.
Yeah, I'll send it to you later on through mail.
Yeah, I can WhatsApp later, no problem.
Yes, I think so. I sent it. Yes, I sent it. Yes, it got sent.
Okay. Okay, I guess you nailed it.
No, sir, I sent it in chat also to everyone.